What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we are out at the Texas Infamous meet here in Katy. It is freaking cold outside. We have a nice white C6 vet rolling out. I do like a C6 in white. That looks damn good. But we're gonna look around. There's a ton of cars here, so let me know what your favorite car in today's video is down in the comments below. Let's get right into the action. We got the boys, we got the Chargers, we got the Mopars galore, and a whole lot of other boys rolling in. Yes, sir. What's going on, dude?
Oh, yeah, Corona too.
Yeah. The boys rolling in. Squad rolls deep around here. Got Mr. Ted Like. Guess he's rolling out. I smell the 85 somewhere. And of course we got my puppy looking all warm and toasty. Hello, Enzo. We got the homie Just a Con Man and the camo GTR rolling in. So this guy in this lifted Escalade literally has like 15 people in there. Yeah, I'm that guy. That one dude. Ah! There is a child out of that sunroof. And then this, I like the color. Hey! So we have the 2JZ BMW wagon here. I love this, dude. It's so good. So good. And then right behind a super powered BMW, we have a Mark III Supra with that big boy cannon of an exhaust. Is that a Tomeda? So we got a series of Mustangs on some drag packs. We got this wrapped one. This looks like Avalanche Gray from Ford or like chalk from Porsche. That looks good. I like it. Ooh. We keep on walking down. We got another one on D5 drag pack. Another Mustang on a drag pack. Man, the Mustangs continue. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
How are you?
I was gonna say I'll let you get back. I'll let you get back.
This dude is so crazy. Yeah. C7Z, big wang. Do I need a big wang? I don't think I need a big wang, but you know, I don't hate it.
You gotta get the big wing. Dude, we need to figure out how to put the stock here.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember from a couple of videos ago, we had the Sailing 570X Challenger on in the video. You said there's only one in the world, right?
Yeah.
Only one. He has another car here that is also quite different. It's a twin turbo SXT Charger.
Again, the only one in the world.
Only one in the world. How much power does it make?
I'm doing like 540 right now at the wheels.
That ain't bad.
And it's on slicks right now.
Got the NT05s back here. That's amazing. So we got the two most dripped out vehicles in the lot. We got the Gucci Grand Cherokee. If you want to drop him a follow, we got Gucci SRT on the gram right here. And then we got the Playboy SRT Challenger. Playboy 6.1 if you want to drop him a follow on the gram. Dude, this is a crazy wrap though. What? That's wild. That's a lot.
I invited us over to play MLB in his house.
It's so cute. Look, it's smiling. I love it. The Miata squad rolling deep. We got a little Focus RS. I actually really like these. Oh man, that's clean. That's clean. That is clean. Me gusta. This thing's clean. Little Sylvia. Sheesh. I like it. I'm here for it, brother. Bro, we got a Talon. That's sick. Oh, it's over there. We got the Helgato White with the matte black hood. I like it. I like it a lot. They're doing donuts. We got a pretty rowdy looking 6th gen here. High Ram Mafia, brother. We got the R8 Spider here, looking good. The only supercar in the lot. Oh, GTR is over there, but one of a few supercars here. And a sea of Mustangs and Fords. Oh my God, that's loud. This thing loud, brother. Pop, pop, pop. I would have to say, in terms of volume, the Mustang won the rev battle. I hear noise. I hear noises. Oh, he's rolling out. Wait, there's a fast guy right here. You can't hide that blowout valve from me, brother. Like a Pro Charger. What hat unit? He said, yes, I'm the fastest guy in the lot. One more time. Oh my God. Hell yeah, brother. And that, my friends, is what an F1X Pro Charger sounds like. So over yonder, there's quite a large burnout ripped. The fog rolls in. The Bobs are here and they're doing burnouts over here. They're doing burnouts over here with the cops in the lot. His plate borders destroy all Porsches. Why are we destroying Porsches? Huh? It's your boy. What's going on, dude? How are you? Why are we destroying all Porsches?
Destroy all of them.
Destroy all? You have a Porsche.
Oh, yeah, we destroyed them now.
Screw him.
Oh, screw them.
I don't know what's going on over here, but it just seems like he's like slowly getting. That's what's going on. Okay. My ears hurt. There's a lot of cops here now. He got the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber fenders, and the color shift bumper. Wait, there's an Aston Martin here. Why is there an Aston Martin here? This color's nice though. I like it. Very nice, sir. I like the color. And we got a new edge. That's a lot of tire. What's under the car? Is it a secret, or can you tell the vlog what's done?
It's gonna be a secret for now.
Gotcha. So that just means like 1,000 shot of nitrous, right? Woo! We got the bullet. Lots of stuff. Alrighty guys, that is going to be all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It was a short but sweet one. A whole lot of action, a whole lot of cool cars, you know the deal. But let me know what your favorite car in this video was down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace. Dude, on a different note, I don't know if y'all can see those state trooper lights way up there. There's a two-tone Cadillac CTS. Just zooming. Probably is going about 130. The state trooper following him. Little high-speed chase action. What? That's crazy. Dude, there's 2 of them now. That's crazy. Dude, it's a police helicopter over the highway. You think they're looking for homeboy?
Oh shit, it's Two-Face.
Shit.
Oh, this is like an action. Oh man, here we go.
Damn.
Oh, let's go. There's another one coming behind us too.
Breaking overnight now, donuts and burnouts, a parking lot takeover of street racers. The driver crashed 10 minutes later and turns out he's a teenager. Several felony charges this morning.